I'm Ben of the BTC Sessions, and this is your Bullish Bit, brought to you by the Bitcoin 2023 conference in Miami Beach, Florida, May 18th through 20th. Head down, check out 15,000 plus attendees, 2,000 plus companies, and 150 plus speakers, including people like Matt Odell, Alex Gladstein, Lynn Alden, Michael Saylor, and many more to be announced. This will be my fourth time attending. Don't miss it. b.tc/conference. Use code BTC Sessions at checkout for 10% off.
It's definitely something where I think like Bitcoiners need to also have like a boots on the ground understanding too of how a lot of that's going to work out. It's not as if, it's just some quick fix to everything. And I think it's kind of interesting just how different the demands are for the purpose of Bitcoin in different regions of the world. And, down in Africa, it's like the huge value add is a lot of what the Lightning Network has to offer. And, they need a medium of exchange. We're all pretty familiar that they're interested in things that have more stability, and you just can't take on that kind of risk. But it's really cool how a lot of that's actually being applied over the Lightning Network. And I think that this economy, like the majority of it runs off of mobile money systems. So there's a lot of people working really hard to take these mobile money type systems and basically apply a very similar thing via the Lightning Network, and then implement microfinance through that for some of these communities. There's an entrepreneur named Radoy Stoyanov who I've been talking to, and he's building this protocol called the Grower Protocol that's trying to do exactly that. And it's really complex. It's really hard when you get into the weeds on like how they're actually going to be implementing some of this stuff. It's definitely no, small order. It's a tall task. And then the regulatory risk that comes into play that, these people have to deal with all the time just to get these solutions down there. But we're fighting for it and we're pushing it hard. And I think that there's a ton of value that's coming from it, and they're starting to realize it. I've talked to a lot of different communities down there and had some conversations with people, and yeah, they're very excited, but we need to make sure that we're bringing them what they want, not just, talking about things that are going to make number go up too.